especially with a new technique that has patients up and moving overnight.
The results are achieved within about 4 weeks, which is much quicker than traditional lipo.
I can see what they've done pretty much and it looks good.
This is body sculpting at its most precise. The slightest bulge smoothed over in minute detail.
It's much gentler on the tissues, and as a result you get quicker recovery, less swelling and less bruising and less pain, so you get quicker results.
The rather brutal process of liposuction is nothing new. A fatty deposit is broken down with surgical force and extracted through a cannula, often while the patient is under general anaesthetic. The fat cells are permanently removed, but the bruising and swelling take months to subside. Final results can still be lumpy and uneven, despite the $4,000 price tag.
If there are a few bits on my body that I'd like to change, and why not?
Amy Owens is qualified as a fitness trainer and works out daily. She's clearly fit and slim, but she claims to have a few stubborn areas that don't respond to her training regime.
And as much as I exercise, there's just some parts on my body that just won't budge.
That's where Liposoft can help, according to the Cosmos Clinic's Dr. Joseph Ajaka.
It's a much gentler technique than traditional liposuction. It's safer. It's a much more effective technique.
While it's the same concept, Liposoft differs from its traditional cousin by the introduction of a fine jet of water, rather than the surgeon's brute force, to break up the fat before it's extracted.
Will the fat cells be gone for good?
I mean, those fat cells will be permanently removed, but you can still get fat in that area, but it's going to be much harder to get fat in that area because there's going to be fewer fat cells there.
Dr. Ajaka marks out the spots on Amy's body he'll reduce. Her thighs and sides will be operated on. She's placed under local anaesthetic and light sedation. With one of her sides complete, Amy is up off the bed looking in the mirror to see if the results are to her satisfaction.
It's perfect on the right, and here, again, we'll just take a little bit out from the back.
Immediately after the operation, these pictures show an obvious result. 2 days later, there's slight bruising and small sores from the incisions.
It's fine. I mean, I'm walking around 2 days later and back to work, and it feels really good.
It's not a weight reduction program. It's mainly for body contouring and getting rid of those bits that just won't budge.
That's Sophie Hull reporting there.